change YouTube TV language. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your YouTube TV language. So it's very simple and quite easy process to follow. So just simply follow this video till the very end and you will know what to do it. So first of all, just simply go to your preferred browser and search for tv.youtube.com, and after that you will be landed to the official website of YouTube TV, and from there you just simply have to enter your credentials and just simply log into your account. And once you are logged into your YouTube TV account, just go to the profile icon section from the top right corner of your screen. Just simply click on it, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options: settings, language, send feedback. Since you want to change the language of your YouTube TV account, just simply tap on languages, and over here you have two different options. Either you can go for English or Spanish, so just select accordingly, and after that just simply click on it, whatever language you want to choose. And once you click on it, your language will be converted into the language that you have chosen, and you can also change the language accordingly. If you don't like that, you can go to the previous one while following the same steps. And this is basically how you will be able to change your YouTube TV language. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.